Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the inspiring story. There is no official information about One UI7 features as of now. However, based on past trends in Samsung's One UI updates, we can anticipate potential new features that may be included when it launches. Predicted features for One UI7 to 1. Enhanced customization options, new lock screen and home screen widgets, more robust theme customization, including dynamic color schemes and icon packs. 2. Improved multitasking, enhanced split screen and pop-up view functionalities, better support for larger screens and foldable devices with adaptive layouts. 3. Smarter widgets, stacked widgets with smart suggestions, more interactive widgets for apps like weather, calendar, and music. 4. Advanced privacy and security, more granular control over app permissions and data sharing, enhanced biometric security options and encrypted data vaults. 5. Updated camera features, new shooting modes or improved AI-based photography options, advanced image processing and video stabilization. 6. Performance optimizations, improved battery management tools, more efficient memory management for smoother app transitions. 7. UI design changes, refined animations for a smoother experience, updated icons, notification shades, and system fonts. 8. New accessibility features, enhanced voice control and speech recognition, more options for screen reading and color adjustments. Since this is speculative information, I recommend staying updated with announcements from Samsung or joining beta programs when they become available to get first-hand experience with new features.